Hello guys, how are you doing? Going to travel to Bhubaneswar via Nasrabad, which is my hometown, and we are going to starting from Whitefield around 7:30. So we're gonna share you the right details and what are the e-pass required at the border. So we'll let you know all the details. Stay tuned. Our journey has started. We just crossed Kadugudi. As per Google Map, our day one journey will take around 10 to 10 and a half hours, and which is around 600 kilometer from Bangalore. And our day one journey will end at Nasropet. Highways are very good, and the weather is very nice, cloudy, sunny, and we have mixed weather here. So the journey is going very good. Now time is 10 o'clock. We are almost reaching to Chittoor. From Chittoor to Naidupet, the roads are not good, and roads are single way. It is very difficult to overtake the vehicles, so it's gonna kill you a time. So we need to go very slow from Chittoor to Naidupet, which is around 130 kilometers. So let's see how the road. Now time is 11:15. We are almost reaching to Tirupati, which is around 15 kilometer from here. You can see the roads. So roads are very narrow, and you cannot overtake the vehicles, and you will get lot of speed breakers. Now time is 1:30. We had our lunch. Now we are on National Highway, which is NH16. It will directly connect to Kolkata, as per my knowledge. And till Vijayawada, the roads are very good from Naidupet. So we had 130 kilometers of roads are very very bad. So we took lot of detours. Do not take any detours from Google. So stick on to the highway. Hello guys, good morning. Our day 2 journey has started. Now time is 5:30 am in the morning. Yesterday we reached around 5:45 p.m. So we haven't get the time to take the video. So now our day 2 journey has started from Nashropet to Bhubaneswar. We are going to share our ride details. Stay tuned. Our day 2 journey is quite long. It is around 870 kilometers. So it will take around 17 hours as per Google Map. If you are taking any D routes, it will take more, but stick to NH16. Do not take any detours. That is what we have seen based on the videos. We just crossed Vizag city. It took 2 hours to cross Vizag, and we just enter into the Vizag in the peak timings. So try to avoid in the peak timings. So we haven't had our lunch, and we are going to have our lunch somewhere a quiet place. And I wanted to tell you one more thing is that there are somewhere the roads are not good, which is from after Rajahmundry. So there are a lot of detours you will get it. So do not take any detours. Try to traffic on National Highway 16. We just enter into Odisha border. There is no border checkup here, and there is no passes required. Nobody is stopping here, nobody checking here. So from here, uh, we have to drive another 4 hours as per Google Map, and we are going to reach 10:30 or 11 o'clock because there are a lot of diversion was there.